In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Civil 3D to Navisworks. This process is quick, but a little context will help you get reliable results. We're creating an NWC file, which is a Navisworks cache format. It's lightweight, opens fast in Navisworks, and is ideal for coordination, visualization, and clash detection. Think of it as a snapshot of your model in a format Navisworks reads efficiently. Start by opening the Civil 3D drawing you want to export. Make sure the model is in the state you intend to share, the right surfaces and alignments visible, correct layers turned on, and any unnecessary objects hidden. If you use external references, confirm they're attached and resolvable and save the drawing so what you see is exactly what gets exported. Keeping your coordinate system and units consistent with your project standards will minimize alignment issues later. Next, go to the application menu in Civil 3D. This is the large Civil 3D icon in the upper left corner of the interface. Clicking it opens the main file menu where you can access key commands. From here, hover over Export. In the export options, choose Export to Navisworks listed as NWC. This command sends your current drawing geometry through the Navisworks exporter so it can be viewed and coordinated in Navisworks Manage or Simulate. If an export settings dialog appears, take a moment to confirm the options. Choose whether to export the entire drawing or just a current selection, depending on what your coordination team needs. Check units and coordinate options to maintain project consistency. For performance and visual fidelity, pick an appropriate level of detail. Higher fidelity can mean larger files, while a simplified mesh can make navigation smoother. If you rely on external references, ensure they're included in the export. When in doubt, follow your team's BIM or coordination standards so everyone receives files that drop into place without extra adjustments. Finally, select a save location and click OK. Place the file in your project's coordination folder so it's easy for colleagues to find. Use a clear file name that includes discipline and version information to avoid confusion later. After you click OK, let Civil 3D finish writing the NWC. You may see a progress indicator. Avoid closing the drawing until the export is complete. That's it. You've opened your drawing, use the application menu to export to Navisworks, reviewed settings if prompted, and save the NWC. Your model is now ready for downstream coordination and review. If you update the design, simply repeat this export so your team always has the latest version.